In Bigfoot Responsive, we've rebuilt all the original Bigfoot legend templates and made them totally responsive. And the only one we've had to improve slightly is number 8, Chi-Chi, which is now even better than the original. Anyway, as you'll notice from the Stacks Templates menu, we've now given all the templates names as well as numbers, and the names are local names for Bigfoot from around the world. You'll also notice that the templates are split into two groups, B2 and B3. The first, B2, contains all 9 of the original Bigfoot legend templates, which have now been made responsive. And the second, B3, contains all 9 of the brand new responsive templates. As always, using our templates is as easy as drag and drop. In this example, we're using Say Design's responsive Aptonon theme, in which extra content area 5 is perfect for a footer. So we'll add an extra content stack to the page and configure it to 5, and then drop a number 2 Stinkaboo template into that. And preview. Okay, now we'll return to edit mode and drop in some images. And style it to fit to the project colors. And now we'll add some content to put the footer in context. And now we'll use the theme's device simulator to see how the footer behaves on various devices. First though, we'll take a look at the 4-column stack that forms the main structure of the footer template. And as you can see, it's been set to a breakpoint of 600 pixels on mobile devices. Essentially, this means that the columns will break into a single column on all smartphones in landscape and portrait mode. So let's check it out and see how it looks on an iPad in portrait mode. And now on an iPhone 5 in portrait mode. And as you can see, the responsive Bigfooter now breaks up really nicely and looks really impressive on a smartphone. Okay, let's finish up by taking a quick look at another of our new templates, number 8, Nook Look, which is one of 2 templates that feature Crumb Thing, our breadcrumb stack. We'll simply drop this in the main content area and give it some top and bottom margin. We'll switch off the device simulator and quickly preview. And we can see straight away that this lower section is looking a little strange and unbalanced. And that's because this dashed line on the right is the breadcrumb border. And it's basically telling us that we haven't enabled our breadcrumb trail in the site setup panel. So we'll do that now. And in the Advanced tab, we'll check the site option to display breadcrumb trail. And now when we return to preview, we can see the breadcrumb trail showing, albeit in this instance just the single link. And once again, when we use the device simulator to see how it'll appear on a smartphone in portrait mode, we can see immediately how good it looks and how well and responsively it behaves on an iPhone 5. Finally, returning to edit mode, it's worth mentioning that if you don't have your breadcrumb trail enabled, and you don't want crumb thing in your Nook Look Big Footer, then you can simply delete it and leave it empty, or replace it with something else like another row of icons, or a sitemap or impressum or legal links. Anyway, as with all our templates, all of the elements contained within are completely editable, which means they can be copied, pasted, deleted, adjusted, tweaked and reconfigured, and mixed and matched with any other Bigfoot template or used in any other stack scenario.